Imagine a world where anyone, even an amateur, can produce premium shrimp or salmon. This isn't science fiction. It's the future NTT, a telecommunications giant, is actively building for the seafood industry. For those who watch industries evolve, this surprising shift reveals something profound about innovation. The question becomes, how exactly does a company known for communication infrastructure become a leader in raising fish?
At NTT Green Food, they cultivate a brand of Pacific white shrimp in land-based plants. These aren't just any shrimp. They are celebrated for their firm texture and distinct sweetness. Chefs across Japan, from local restaurants to national chains, praise this quality. This level of consistency and taste is a stark contrast to the variable nature of traditional fishing.
The secret to this consistent excellence lies in data and technology. NTT leverages its expertise in ICT and AI to manage every detail within the massive water tanks. Water temperature, ammonia levels, pH balance, dissolved oxygen, even feeding times are all precisely controlled. This creates an optimal environment, elevating both the taste and texture of the shrimp.
One significant outcome is the ability to offer sashimi-grade Pacific white shrimp, a rarity for this species. Previously, most Pacific white shrimp in Japan were imported frozen. Now, fresh, raw options are becoming available, changing the sushi experience. This method also opens doors to producing specialized seafood, like shrimp without specific proteins linked to shellfish allergies. Beyond the product, NTT is transforming the very nature of work in primary industries. Staff at their Iwata plant enjoy regular company hours with weekends off. This contrasts sharply with traditional fishing, which often demands irregular and unpredictable schedules. This shift to a corporate fisheries model makes the industry appealing to a wider workforce. NTT's vision extends far beyond shrimp. They've already expanded to include pufferfish and flounder, and a salmon aquaculture plant is underway in Kasanuma City. The company carefully selects high-demand species that thrive in controlled environments, demonstrating a clear strategy for market penetration and impact. They understand the patterns of growth.
The ultimate goal is to offer a cultivation platform, a comprehensive package of technology and know-how. This platform includes everything from tank equipment to AI-driven water management and proprietary feed. It means companies with vacant land or warehouses could start their own aquaculture operations, even with zero prior experience. This moves NTT from a seafood producer to an infrastructure provider. This bold initiative aims to establish a new food infrastructure. As global food security concerns rise, this land-based aquaculture model holds immense potential for international expansion. It's a testament to how innovative thinking can address pressing global challenges, creating new possibilities where none existed before.
Kazuya Kujumi, NTT Green Food's president, carries a deep personal connection to this mission. His father owned a sushi restaurant where he witnessed the instability of natural catches. This early exposure to the challenges of the food industry, combined with his career in communications, ignited a desire to merge both worlds. He saw a solution in technology. What NTT is doing isn't just about growing fish. It's about rewriting the rules of the entire supply chain. By standardizing and digitizing aquaculture, they are creating a future where quality is consistent, sustainability is built in, and the industry is accessible to more. It suggests a future where food production follows new, predictable patterns. Watching how this unfolds will be essential.